Hello friends, in this lesson I'm going to talk about the new facebook.com update. Today is 31st August 2020. As of tomorrow, that is September 1st 2020, Facebook is going to make it mandatory for every users to use their new facebook.com. I do beta testing for Facebook, so I had done beta testing for this new facebook.com. So there I found several observations which I'll share with you during this lessons. But let's see what exactly this new facebook.com is. So Facebook says that, as you already know, that Facebook has changed their logo also from old to new, and this was the old color which they used, and this is the new color which they are using. So the old blue and the new blue you can see on the screen. The new facebook.com, what Facebook claims is it is faster, easier to use, and gives your eyes a break with dark mode. So dark mode has finally come to facebook.com also. On your mobile phones you can switch to dark mode on every app owned by Facebook, like Instagram, WhatsApp, and Facebook app also. There also you can use dark mode. Facebook claims that you can find the things faster, you can reduce the glare with dark mode. Then the new immersive layout along with dark mode makes viewing on videos on Facebook Watch a great experience. So whenever you watch videos on Facebook Watch, it can give you a very good experience. This is what Facebook is claiming. And then you can manage pages, groups, and events with ease. So you can directly preview whenever you are creating a new group or page, that how they will look in real time on mobile before you even create it. These are the Facebook claims which Facebook is saying according to their new layout which they are coming up. Lot many people are not liking the new Facebook layout. I'll just first show you some tweets and some observation by other people, then I'll share my experience and I'll tell you how to switch to new Facebook, because it is going to be mandatory, and where all the things would be. So there is a website called searchenginejournal.com. You can also visit this website. Very good information regarding all the news that is happening in the tech world of social media. So Facebook, people are hating this interface. You can see tweets which are negatively bashing this. So your new web interface sucks. Okay, the new interface is so bad, I hate it. Then, dear Facebook, it's you, not me. I hate the new Facebook. And all these comments are coming from users on Twitter. They are bashing the new Facebook layout completely. So what is the reason why Facebook new layout is being hated by all the users over the web? These are the some of the observation that Search Engine Journal has written down. So one of the reasons user hate the new Facebook design so much is because they find it confusing. Okay, so when I am going to teach you how to switch to this interface, and I'll tell you how confusing it is. So this is what the layout looks like. I'll show you during this lesson also. Earlier the interface was simple, now it is a little bit confusing. Users shouldn't have to read a manual in order to publish a Facebook post. They notes it down. Facebook navigational icons are confusing. Okay, so these kind of icons you have to self guess what exactly they are going to do. So if you click on this button, then probably you are sent to the messenger, then notification button is there, and there more setting buttons is there, but it doesn't say explicitly what exactly it is going to do. So that is the problem with that. Then there is Facebook group icon. So groups has been designed like this. So someone is calling like a cat paw. So cats have paws. So this is what their icon looks like. And recent activity also, they are showing it in a clumsy way. It is the observation. Redesign is so bad, user threatened to quit Facebook. Okay, so some people are really confused and they are disgusted by the new design. So they are saying that we won't be using the new Facebook at all. So I'll be telling you how to switch, or you will be automatically, by the time you watch this video, you'll be automatically on the new Facebook.com if you access through desktop. So Facebook.com can be accessed through desktop. Otherwise, the apps are been for your Apple and your Google Play Store also. There is apps, but that isn't affected much. But this is specifically I'm talking about Facebook.com that can be accessed through your desktop. So I'll tell you how to switch to the new Facebook.com, or you will be already switched to the new Facebook.com. So I'll just open a new tab, and here I have logged on to my Facebook profile, which is still in classic mode. This was the classic mode which was earlier. So here you can see that everything is crystal clear at their place, and their UI has been evolved from the moment it was called the Facebook.com. So they had reduced the in front of Facebook, and their UI has evolved during the time. So I have been a Facebook user since its inception. So here I am going to tell you that how to switch to their new layout, and what is dark mode, and how to switch to dark mode also. So all you need to do is, if you are not switched on to that, you just need to click on this drop down button in front of the question mark. Here you will be seeing an option called switch to new Facebook. So you just have to click on switch to new Facebook, and it would automatically switch to the new Facebook. You can again go back to the classic mode by clicking to switch to classic Facebook. So here you have to decide yourself that whether it is good or bad. I'll be giving my observation in the end of this lesson. I'll be talking about good, bad and ugly side of this new design. So here you can see that everything, even the logo and even the favicon icon, has been changed to the new logo. They have placed options like this. Okay, so once you hover over it, you come to know that this is home, this is Facebook Watch, this is Facebook Marketplace, these are the groups, and this is Facebook Gaming. Then there are more options like profile is there, then plus is there, which is for create. So you can create post, story, live event, page, ad, group, event, market listing, and a fundraiser from this plus symbol. And then there is messenger icon, so you can open up your messenger also quickly by clicking on this messenger icon. Then there are notifications, which you can see that what kind of notifications you are getting by clicking on this bell icon. Then there is again this drop down wherein you can give the feedback also to improve the new Facebook. Then settings and privacy, then help and support, and dark mode is there. We'll switch to dark mode in the end, and you can switch to the classic Facebook also here. So on the left hand side you can again see some of the tools, that is your profile, then COVID-19 information center is there, then pages are there. All your pages would be accessed from this particular option. Then friends option is there, messenger is there, then you can click on see more also to come to all these things. So you can access your memories also from this, and messenger kids and new other things are here. Your groups are also shown here. So if you are managing some group or some page, you can easily see the shortcuts here. So this is what the central point is. Central point, you can see that the posting has changed. So it is much more rounded design. They have went with round corners over all the things. So even on stories you can see the round corners, and even while posting you will be able to see such kind of design here. So what we if I scroll down also, every post is now rounded kind of design interface is there. That is the thing. If you want to post something, you just have to click on this and an interface will open, and you can write anything whatever you like to, and you can just post it. From here you can create a room is another new feature which we'll be talking about in later of our lessons. Then there is photos and videos, then there is, you can tag the friends, you can express your feelings or activity with this icon also, and then you can check in also. Then more options, you can do a live video, watch party, or raise money also you can do with that. And there is this option to have backgrounds to your Facebook post also. So there is limitations on which this background is applied, so you can have these backgrounds also, and you can access the emojis also from here. So this is how the Facebook post is working. Let me show you how Facebook pages looks like now. So I'll just show you how Facebook pages looks like now. So in order to access my Facebook page, I can directly search from here which Facebook page I want to go to, or left side I have the shortcut option to visit the Facebook page. So I'll just click on my left hand side and switch to my Facebook page. Here, this is my company called DigiSas Private Limited. So we are a marketing agency. We teach digital marketing courses also from A to Z. Also we do marketing for our 350 plus clients across the globe. So the new Facebook page, even that layout has been changed. All the options are right now on the left hand side. You can create ads from here, you can check your inbox, you can go to your lead center also, the events also can be posted, you can post jobs also, then insights and publishing tools and page quality and info and page settings, everything has been streamlined to the left hand side. Then right hand side you can see your page, what exactly your page looks like, what are the different sections about your pages. Little bit clumsy, but you can see the insights also quickly, what exactly they are showing into this, and you can create a post from here. So suppose I'll create a post from here, so I'll just click on create post. Again that same dialog would be opening. So today is Onam in India, so so I'll just post something wish from my page here. So I just have written this, and then I'll just drag and drop this to the page here, and it is uploaded. So it is quite fast. I can say that it is quite fast that it has been uploaded, but there is error again. So these are the things which Facebook needs to sort out. So this error, I'm seeing it for the first time when I'm using Facebook.com, the new Facebook.com. Even on the previous one, I did not observe any kind of error. So all this thing, they have to sort it out before they can launch this worldwide, and they are going to make it completely mandatory. September 1 they are going to make it completely mandatory. So let me just upload it again. I've used the upload icon from here. So now I guess it should be uploaded, but again see the error is there. So this error is persistent. I tried 2-3 ways also on the new Facebook. This error is completely persistent over this. So what I'll do is I'll post it through Classic Facebook. I hope they sort this out. Let me just explore more what exactly the Facebook new pages looks like. So here you can have the promote also, you can view as visitor, and then different types of post which you have posted. You can see the analytics over that also. You can see the comments of your previous post also. So this is what exactly the new Facebook is. Lot many features and everything is there in this, which I'll be covering in our Facebook lessons, A to Z Facebook digital marketing lessons, which we'll be teaching. So I'll be covering into that. So quickly let me tell you how to switch to dark mode. Okay, how to switch to dark mode. So if you want this interface which is in light mode to switch into dark mode, all you need to do is you need to just click here, drop down, and click on dark mode. So automatically within some seconds it will switch to the dark mode. So everything you can see now in the dark mode side. So here you can quickly switch to dark mode. If you want to switch back to again the light mode, you can just turn this off and it will be again coming to the light mode. So as I said that it has lot many errors. Before that, let me quickly tell you what are the good things about the new Facebook design. design. The good things about new Facebook design is once you learn it, yes, it has a learning curve, but once you learn it, you can easily do the navigations from everywhere. The bad side about Facebook is, like, even if you go to your Facebook profile, you can easily see that there is left spaces there and right spaces there. So this looks really a bad job in designing. It is not good. It is not good how they have designed this Facebook profile also. And there are a lot many sections where I believe these kind of spaces are left there. The worst thing, the ugliest thing about Facebook is the errors. It has so many bugs still persistent in that. I just showed you when I was posting a simple post on my Facebook page, it was not allowing me. Let me check this again, that if they can allow me to post similar way through my Facebook profile. So I'll just post this through Facebook profile, and let me see that if they are allowing me to upload it. So here I can upload this. Let me check. Your request could not be processed. There was a problem with the request. We are working on getting it fixed as soon as we can. These kind of errors are making it very, very horrible to use. Very ugly side of the new Facebook.com. I hope they can definitely do some kind of bug testing before making it mandatory. They are claiming that they will make it completely mandatory by tomorrow, September 1, 2020. So if you want to switch back to classic Facebook just like me, you just can click on there and just click reload site, and your Facebook would be switching on to the classic mode, which looks very neat here. So if I want to post the same post which I was posting, let me just post it, and I'll just clicking post. Here you can see the upload button is showing, and once it is posted, see, voila, it is within 1 second it has been posted here. Even on my Facebook page, if I want to post it, I'll just go to my Facebook page and I can post it from there also. No errors would be coming. So this is the proper way in which the classic Facebook is working. Although the new features are good, I would say, but not great. So I would definitely give the new Facebook 2 out of 5 stars. They should completely sort this bugs and everything out. So thank you for watching.